Hey, how's it going, everyone? Today I'm here to give a review, feedback, and a breakdown and dive into the features about this dash cam. But before I get into that, let me go through an unboxing of everything that you receive in this package. All right, so going into the box here, we just loosen that up and pull on up and open it up. And the first thing on top there is a quick installation guide, as it lets you know for hooking up your front camera, as well as hooking up that rear camera, the socket that it goes into, as well as connecting that into the power source. All right. Then here it lets you know before starting use, remove the sticker from the lens, all right? And it welcomes you to your product. And going here goes your lovely main front camera. You want to be sure to remove that. It gives you some tips here as well on the top there. And then also on the back here, it gives you some friendly reminders about what to do to make sure you take care of your product, as well as the proper use for it. And then here also it gives you instructions about downloading and installing the app with that QR code down there. All right, then going over to this piece, you have your rear camera there, and then there goes that sticky piece where you are able to stick that with installation purposes. I say you can stick it to the back of your windshield is the best way to go. Yeah, and then with that, there goes that USB port for connecting that. Looks like this will be our installation pieces that we'll be using. And yep, going through that, you have your USB-C power cable, the rear camera cable, and then over here, you have a wiper to care for it, as well as a car wire trim tool to tuck away your cables. Cables, clips, just making sure that everything is clean and out of the way so you have a good view, and then the GPS bracket as well. So going into here, and here goes your cords, here goes your mounting piece, peeling that off, getting that to suction to your windshield. Cables, got your cable clips over here. And then here goes your, of course, your trim tool for tucking away your wires, or your cables, sorry. All right, and then a cleaning cloth over here as well. All right, let's go ahead and get back to talking about the installation of this. All right, so with installing it, I peeled away that little tip film that was on the top of there, just telling you how to go and hook this up. So you do want to make sure that those do slide on together nice and smoothly. Insert that, and that is what will lock into your windshield now. So this will be facing outside towards your windshield, as on the back here. Peeling this off, that's what will give you that view outside of your vehicle. And then go ahead and you just make sure that the suction is nice and stable, with making sure that it's secure. All right, and then here goes your rear camera. And then with that, this longer cable here is for that, so it can reach to the back and you're able to tuck those wires away. And then here goes your main camera power source. And again, as you can see, that easily just connects in there. And then for this one, you have the connection right here under next to your suction, okay? And then over on the side, that's where your SD card is located. As you can see, right there, that comes along with this. And you're able just to push that back in and get that nice and secure. And then also you have your power button and your mode button and your lock button for the camera as well. All right, and as you can see here, I have my camera nicely installed. And this nice little pry tool definitely made it very easy to tuck in all those cables up there. So of course it's gonna go straight up here, up there. Then you were able to just tuck that in through there, and same with this side, go through there and just make sure that it's nice and clean, so that I have a nice clear vision out in front of me, as well as for my camera. All right, so with this camera, the features that you have are that built-in GPS. You do have the 4K view. Definitely real-time movement, so you don't have a delay there, no glitching going on with that, and very clear image. You have that loop recording for that 24-hour protection, as well as you have the built-in G sensor. So with that, when there's a collision, it automatically starts recording and it locks that footage. And then you do have 128 gigabyte memory, memory card that does come with this, so that it is included. But the memory card slot does support up to 512 gigabytes of memory card data. But like I said, there is included 128 gigabyte memory card. Some durability features of this camera is that it can handle up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit down to -4 Fahrenheit. So hot to cold, this camera can still record and will gather all footage that it does. Then also with this, you do have that Wi-Fi and app control connection, so you can keep track of your footage easily, as well as on the side here, some easy buttons for that. Your power button over here. You have your menu button, so you can go through there. On the side, you have some arrow buttons. Select the record time, recording, open loop, rear camera, open, screensaver on or off. Then with the preview mode, right now I have it on the split screen, but if you don't care to have it on the rear camera, you could just go to the front camera and you select that option. and then you just go back, and now you see I just have the front camera there. So you do have the option to flip through like that, depending what your use is, if you want to just have the front camera and not the rear camera. But overall, this camera very easy to set up, very easy to go through, and just highly efficient from the view to the directions of how to go ahead and get this set up. And I'd highly recommend this if you are looking at getting some protection for your vehicle. And then again, just one last reminder, for if your camera is not coming on, make sure that you do have that cigarette lighter power source hooked up on the right side of your camera and not the left side. That is how you'll make sure that your camera comes on efficiently.